Hey, thanks for watching. So I'm here in Sedona, Arizona today to photograph Cathedral Rock, which is a really cool rock formation here in Sedona. It's a place I've photographed several times before, but I've never really been very happy with the results, so I've never released any of those images. And for this shoot, I'm going to be launching my kite from a different area than I've launched from in the past. And that should provide a better vantage point to photograph from and a better place to fly my kite from. I've always had trouble flying kites in the desert, and it's really my least favorite climate to fly kites in. So it might be pretty challenging today because the winds are so strong, but they're still kind of gusty and swirly. So it might be a little bit tricky to fly my kite. I've got a little bit of a hike from where I parked my car to where I'm going to launch the kite from. So I'm going to grab my gear and hike into the spot right now. So I made it out to the spot that I want to launch my kite from, and I'm just going to hang out here for a little while and wait for some clouds to pass. It shouldn't be too long of a wait, and thankfully it's not too hot here today because sometimes out in Sedona it can be crazy hot out here. Like I said, I've photographed here several times before, but always from the opposite side of Oak Creek, which is just down here because the wind usually is coming out of the south. But today it's coming out of the north, which is really ideal for what I want to do here, so I'm very thankful for that. But it's very gusty and kind of swirly like it usually is out in the desert. So it's probably going to be a pretty challenging shoot, but I'll do my best. Despite the wind being really difficult, I was able to successfully fly my camera and get it into the position that I wanted. I'm really happy with how this photograph turned out. I love the vivid blue sky and white puffy clouds with some rain showers in the far background. And Cathedral Rock looks majestic as always in the late afternoon sun. So I just got my kite and camera down out of the sky. I think I had a pretty successful shoot here for a change. The last time I was out here several years ago, I was flying, like I said earlier in the video, across the creek there, and the winds died out, and then my kite crashed into a tree on the opposite side of the Oak Creek. So I had to go and wade through the creek and then pull my kite out of a tree. Luckily my camera was safe. I was able to get that out of the sky before the whole kite came down. So, you know, I'm kind of used to having a difficult time out here in Sedona, so it's nice for a change to have a little bit more of a successful time, even though it was really difficult because the wind is so gusty and variable. So I'm going to pack everything up right now, hike back to the car, and I think I'm going to leave Sedona tonight and go to a new location. I'm out here in the Southwest for a few weeks shooting some new work, so I'm going to drive a little bit tonight to a different location that I want to photograph in tomorrow, and hopefully the weather and the wind is all going to cooperate for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to my channel to see all of my other videos. Thanks for watching.